Organizing and managing your finances is a task that everyone finds challenging. However, it is so important that you push past this obstacle. From budgeting to saving to investing to retirement planning, having control of your financial life is a critical step towards achieving financial stability and having peace of mind. This is where the value of having a financial advisor comes into play. Contrary to popular belief, financial advisors are not just for the super mega wealthy. They are for anyone who wants to better manage their personal finances. From investment strategies to navigating important life events, they provide bespoke advice to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we will be covering 6 essential things that you need to know before consulting with a financial advisor. My name is Ash. I am a financial planner based in London. I help my clients make informed financial decisions to live their ideal lifestyles. If you are interested in booking in a free discovery call with me, head down to the description and you'll find a link to book that in. Significant life events like having a child, getting married, buying a house, or changing career often act as catalysts for seeking some financial advice. These milestones are like canon events that can each have exponential impacts on your financial futures. Events like these often require an adjustment to your financial strategy. What are your financial aspirations? Prior to meeting with an advisor, clarify what the focus should be for your consultation. Is it retirement advice? Is it investment planning? Is it to do with your cash flow situation? Or do you just need some general coaching on your mindset and habits? Your objectives will shape the nature of the advice and the strategies that are actually recommended. Effective communication is key in this relationship. Make sure that you are fully transparent about your financial situation, your goals, and your main concerns. This allows your advisor to make recommendations that are actually applicable for you. Create a summary of your current financial situation. Arriving prepared is essential. A comprehensive overview of your financial situation, including any assets, liabilities, income, expenses, will provide your advisor with the perfect starting point to understand your circumstances. Prepare and bring all relevant documents, such as tax returns, bank statements, investment reports, insurance statements, and any estate planning documents. This detailed information will aid an advisor to craft a more accurate financial plan. The initial consultation is not just about gathering information, it's about building a relationship. Find out whether you actually get on with this advisor and assess whether their approach aligns with your needs and expectations. Your initial contact should always be free. Most advisors will offer a complimentary initial consultation. This session is an opportunity for both parties to find out whether they're a good fit for each other without any financial obligations. Understanding the advisor's process and fees from the outset is crucial. This transparency is key in setting the right expectations and avoiding any unpleasant surprises later. The financial advice process typically has 3 stages. The first is discovery and planning. This is where we develop strategies for our clients. The second is implementation. This is where we put a plan into action. And the third is ongoing service. This involves regular reviews and adjustments on an ongoing basis. Recognizing these 3 stages helps in understanding the comprehensive nature of the service. A skilled advisor brings immense value through their expertise when it comes to financial planning. They can navigate complex financial landscapes and tailor unique strategies to your circumstances. Discussing fees right at the start helps to prevent any kind of misunderstandings later on in the process. It is crucial to understand how an advisor is being compensated to ensure that their advice always aligns with your best interests. An advisor should break down what each individual fee is for. You'll find that often there are fees for planning, there are fees for implementation, and then there are separate fees for ongoing service. Transparency in this fee structure usually indicates that this advisor is reputable and trustworthy. Advisors might charge hourly rates or a percentage of assets under management. You need to make sure that you understand which model is most useful for your budget and your needs. Independent advisors have access to a wide range of financial products, providing more diverse solutions that meet your individual needs. Restricted advisors, in contrast, can only recommend specific financial products, or they work with only a specific set of providers. Whilst a restricted advisor can still provide you with expert advice, their limited range might not cover all of your needs. Understanding these limitations is crucial. An independent advisor can provide a more diversified and personalized approach to your financial planning. They can choose any product from the market, meaning they're more likely to be able to choose something that aligns with your goals and your aspirations. You need to ensure that your financial advisor meets at least the minimum qualification standards for the industry. This is a basic indicator of financial competence. Higher qualifications can often mean a deeper understanding of the industry with more experience to pull from. I myself have the level 4 diploma in regulated financial planning, but the levels up from where I am is a chartered or a fellow in financial planning. You need to also make sure that your advisor has a statement of professional standing. This is important because it verifies an advisor's credentials and their standing in the profession. Overall, before engaging with a financial advisor, it is vital to figure out why you are seeking financial advice, prepare for the initial meeting with any kind of paperwork, understand how the advice process works, clarify any fees that are involved, determine whether your advisor is going to be independent or restricted, and verify their qualifications and professional standing. Take the time to make this decision carefully and thoughtfully. The right kind of financial advisor can play a critical role in shaping your financial future. A competent advisor doesn't just manage your investments. They provide strategic guidance tailored to your unique circumstances. Choose wisely, as this partnership is key towards achieving financial well-being.